What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna make some simple curry fried rice in my kitchen. Now if you are interested in the video, stick around to the end, and please to share the video, guys, and subscribe if you're new. Let's get started. Now I have some old rice, guys. I call it old rice because I have it in the fridge a few days now. It's some coconut flavored rice, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description box where I prepared my coconut rice. I have some chopped onion, I have some chopped scallion, I also have some chopped garlic and ginger. Now because we prepare curry and also we really have a little ginger in there. No worry yourself, guys, when not eating the food and not gonna taste the ginger. Alright, just a little piece. Just to, balance the curry, and for those who, your stomach can get stirred up when you eat the curry. Yes, so I add some simple natural coconut oil. Now if you don't have any type of coconut oil, the coconut oil do add that nice flavor because coconut and curry go well together. So that's why I'm using it. But if you don't want to use the coconut oil, use whichever oil you choose, at your kitchen. Remember, I'm telling you that. Now I add like the white part of the scallion, I add my garlic, I add my ginger and also the onion. Okay. No, you could always add some sweet peppers to it or any seasoning that you would like. I'm just making the recipe my way, so you could always adjust the recipe to suit you. Now we're gonna fry up with natural seasoning until they become fragrant, because you want to bring out all of the flavors, kick it up a notch. Alright. Now I am going to be using curry powder for the recipe because of curry rice. But what if you like to use your turmeric instead? You could go ahead and do so. Or if you want to use a mixture, you could also do it. Alright, so I use a bit of a curry because that's the one I love so much. But you can use the curry powder of your choice. Now in Jamaica we say we burn the curry, but we don't necessarily burn the curry. We just want to saute it for a few seconds just to bring out the flavor, but ensure that you do it on a low flame, kind of where your curry will burn, right? Because your food like taste bad. Now I am just gonna saute this for about a minute on a low flame, as I said, and then we're gonna add with rice. Now I'm using maybe about 4 cups of rice or maybe about 3 cups, guys. I'm not really do measurements, but just add the rice to the number of persons or any amount of food that you love to cook. Just do it to your preference, okay? Now make sure you coat your rice nicely, and if you have some little crumb pieces of rice, make sure you mash it out. Alright, you don't want, if you want to mix up your curry, you look after your fried rice, some part of the rice still white. No, guys, that don't look presentable. So make sure you mix out everything and make everything coat up nicely. If you like, I could add more curry powder than I did. Adding maybe about a tablespoon of curry powder. Yes, so maybe about after 2 minutes after tossing the rice together, I'm gonna add a little bit more coconut oil because I'm gonna use some mixed vegetable. Now, I don't really like them type of mixed vegetable, guys. Comfort of the can. But if you're going to use the one here, just make sure you drain off the water that you use to preserve it, and then you wash it good under the pipe, and then you add it to the pot. Alright. Now, because me make sure some of my food full of flavor, so I add some all-purpose seasoning and some black pepper. Now, if you have vegetable seasoning, you could also add it, or any season that you like. I could have add some chicken season, guys, but you need some flavoring. Okay, so add some flavor to yours, and then you mix it nicely. All right, and then you touch it around with the rice. Now everybody knows that me don't like egg. Now if you think the egg and curry tastes good, then you could also add some scrambled eggs, but me quite alright with them I put in my rice, guys. So you do you and I do me. So I'm gonna start this around for about 2 more minutes, and then my fried rice is all done. Remember, we left back some scallion, the green part of the scallion. So after I finish combining everything together, I'm gonna just add it to the rice. Now I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, as much as I did. It had a great flavor because, you know, the coconut rice and the curry, you know, all of that. So if you try the recipe, don't forget to share, you know, share in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the recipe. And if you don't try the recipe and you know you want to try the recipe, you could go ahead and do so, and please do share with others. You could also follow me on Instagram at recipe_tamara, where you could even send me photos, you know. So I thank you so much for joining me, and you know, take care, guys. I do appreciate the love and support, and yeah, go and big up on yourselves. Straight.